Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, judges and audience. I hope you feel better. Okay, I would like to tell a story about the legend of Enduk-Enduk bird. Listen carefully, because this is an amazing story. Long time ago, lived in the jungle of Bangka Island a mother and her only one son. In their very high hut on the giant tree, the little son grew and behaved very well with his single-parent mother. His father had passed away 7 days before he was born. To earn life, the mother used to go to the bush to find firewood and bird to be shot. They used to eat the meat of bird that the mother hunts in the jungle. Besides, the mother planted cassavas, galangal, turmeric, jambu bandar, even kerak duduk around her house and bartered them in the village that is far enough from her hut. Everything went smoothly and every day was a blessed day. The mother and the son lived happily. When he was a child, the boy took play around his hut. He never left his hut. One day, after getting home from the village, the son was very angry and tired. While the mother was preparing dishes for the lunch, this is for you, my son. I hope you feel it. Seeing that they only had bird meat, cassava leaf, russet for lunch, the son became very angry and shouted at his mother, "Please, don't you have any other meals apart from this bullshit? Are these the only ones you can serve me for 70 years? The old mother was very shocked. She started to cry. Her cheeks were full of tears. Then she approached her son to hug him. But the son stepped back. The old mother brought the dish to the son. But surprisingly, he threw it down to the ground and shouted at his mother, "Please, don't give me that bullshit of tiny meal of bird." The old mother was very upset and sad. She lifted her hands and prayed to the God. "God, please help me. My only one son becomes someone else. He is like not my son that I have raised. My heart is truly crushed into pieces. Did you know, God? My son threw the bird that I had searched and cooked to the ground. My heart is truly crushed, like the bird meat on the ground. Please help me. Please change my beloved son into a faithful man." Suddenly, the sky became dark and thunder came. Boom! The black sky was full of lightning. The jungle was suddenly poured by heavy rain. He cried for help. He begged his mother for mercy, but that was too late. He kept saying, "Enduk! Enduk! Enduk!" Just in few minutes, Oh, mother, please forgiving me, my body, please. The son turned into a bird, and he keeps saying, Enduk means mother in English and ma in Bangladesh. Okay, it is my story about the legend of Enduk-Enduk bird. In this story, we can learn from it that be thankful for what we have, especially what we can eat on the table. My name is Muhammad Hafki Ariski. I am student from SMP IT At-Toybah. Thank you for your attention. See you and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.